Hello to everyone. My name is Parveen Rawat and I look Rose-Belle Hungry Bird Outlets. I am a manager, restaurant manager here. Hungry Bird's restaurant is in Vieux Moulin complex, old complex, and it's just opposite the Pleasance Mall. Yeah, its restaurant is a family style. We have like young people stay, come here, and we have a college student and all. Everybody can come. The restaurant is basically the multi-cuisine restaurant. We have some locals food as well. We started in the year of 2018 in the month of January 15. The owner of Hungry Bird restaurant is Mrs. Geereesha. She started the restaurant because she was working before. She was an art teacher. Then she changed her passion. So she just came to in like hotel industry. So she started the restaurant in 2018. The restaurant is multi-cuisine restaurant and we have Indian food as well, like burger and red velvet cake. Also we have Indian curry. Butter chicken is famous for Hungry Bird restaurant. People especially come for the butter chicken here. Yeah, butter chicken is best seller. We will recommend them to try our tempo. That is basically the tempo is a lime curry.
Exactly.
Yeah, we have caterings as well. We do delivery, we do takeaways and all. Normally we do small events, but from outside we do caterings as well. The restaurant is open from Monday to Saturday. We start from morning 11 to till night 9 o'clock. Sunday we are closed, Sunday we don't work. Guests can contact us in our number. The mobile number is 581526 and 70. Yeah, thanks to every client, every guest who comes in our restaurant because guest is important for us, and they gives us good opportunity to learn more and we can do more for the guest. Yeah, Blink is very important for us because Blink, they are very professional. Whenever we in trouble, they come, they sort out the situation, and it's good for the customer as well because whenever they wanted to pay by Blink, it's a very good option for them to do it quickly, their payment. So we wanted to invite all the customers to come in Hungry Bird restaurant, try our food, what kind of ambience we have, so they can come and enjoy our food. See you soon. Bye-bye. See you.